Welcome viewers. Previous US President and conservative official up-and-comer Donald Trump shows up in front of an audience to talk during a 2024 official mission rally, September 20, 2023, in Dubuque, Iowa. Scott Morgan Reuters. Examiners are sending off an examination concerning previous President Donald Trump's political activity after another examination by Open Secrets uncovered that it paid more than $44 million to attorneys and law offices addressing possible observers and co-defendants in his continuous legitimate cases beginning around 2020. 23/9, 2010 ROOSCVELTHAWKING 4698. As indicated by the report distributed on Friday, September 22, 2023, this monstrous aggregate is around half of the activity's all-out lawful costs during that period. As we proceed with this video, please take out a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from us. The installments made by Trump's political organization to attorneys and law offices addressing people engaged with the previous president's legitimate difficulties have raised concerns in regards to potential observer altering. Trump's set of experiences of supposedly endeavoring to impact observers adds weight to these worries, with occasions going from extraordinary direction. Robert Mueller's Russia test to his most memorable prosecution, as well as the developing number of continuous legitimate cases. And new documenting the lead prosecutor's office in Fulton Province, Georgia, which is indicting Trump and 18 correspondents in a political decision obstruction case, gave a rundown of likely observers, a few of whom have been addressed by legal counselors or law offices paid by Trump's political organization. Government court records, unlocked on September 15, shed light on Trump's inclination towards counter and described his installment of lawful expenses for expected observers against him as an obstructive. The Unique Guidance's office verbalized its interests, expressing, "This example of obstructive lead plentifully upholds the region court's decision that the previous president gives a huge gamble of altering proof, trying to impact or scare expected observers, and in any case truly imperiling the public authority's continuous examinations." Trump is presently confronting claims of witness altering in different continuous cases. An eminent episode in August, a critical possible observer in the Blemisholego record maintenance case withdrew their past bogus declaration after the equity division raised worries about a likely irreconcilable circumstance with their underlying legal counselor, who was addressing both the observer and one more litigant for the situation. The observer, distinguished as Yusel Tavares, a data innovation specialist at Blemisholego, had recently been addressed by legal counselor Stanley Woodward, whose firm got $376,000 from Trump's political organization. Woodward likewise addresses other potential observers, including Blemisholego representative Walt Nauta and figures like January 6 agitator Ryan Samsel and pledge manager Kelly Meggs. Besides, Woodward's firm has addressed previous White House counsel Peter Navarro, who was indicted on September 7 for neglecting to follow summons gave by the U.S. House Select Board to examine the January 6 assault on the U.S. Legislative Center. These worries are not restricted to a solitary law office, as a few others have likewise addressed Navarro and gotten installments from Trump's political organization. Previous President Donald Trump, in the wake of being reserved at the Fulton District Prison on August 24, 2023 in Atlanta, Georgia. Altogether, Trump's political organization has coordinated roughly $130 million in contributor assets to cover lawful costs since his underlying official mission, with more than $50 million of that sum spent starting from the beginning of 2022. While Trump's 2024 official mission is the most straightforwardly connected to him, his political activity envelops his administration PAC, joint gathering pledges boards, and super PACs worked by Trump partners. Numerous law offices have gotten significant installments from Trump's political organization, including Jones Day, Jesse Binnall's firm, Decisions LLC, Silverman Thompson Slutkin, Greenberg Traurig LLP, Mintz, Levin, Cohn, Ferris, Glovsky and Popio, and McGuire Woods. Notwithstanding legitimate charges, Trump's political organization has likewise paid consistent firm red band arrangements almost $4 million, bringing up issues about its contribution in previous Trump White House helper Cassidy Hutchinson's bid for employment around the hour of her declaration before the House January 6 panel. While Trump takes care of legitimate expenses for a portion of his partners, a few co-defendants in the Georgia case have depended on crowdfunding to back their lawful portrayal, raising a huge number of dollars. This incorporates Jenna Ellis, John Eastman, Jeffrey Clark, Kathy Latham, and Rudy Giuliani, who has additionally confronted legitimate charge difficulties in different cases connected with his job as Trump's own lawyer. As examinations proceed, Trump's political activity faces expanding investigation over its significant legitimate uses and their possible effect on continuous legal procedures, including the previous president and his partners. What is your take on this video? Please kindly drop your feedback and thanks for watching.